Alright guys, real quick, I want to show you how to check the lead to conversion rate. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the KPI tracker. You're going to go to the tab all the way at the end. It's called scorecard, right? It's actually 1.1. It's actually the first card. I'm actually going to move this over. It's the very first thing we should look at. 1.1 scorecard. What you're going to do from here is you're going to find the date range that you're looking for, right? So we're in March 2020. And what you want to do is when you get here, it has the breakdown of leads, prospect stage, all that good stuff. All you want to do is go to the month you're in, 3/1 through 3/31/2020, and you want this right here, right? You want that conversion rate. So basically this month we're at a conversion rate of 15%, right? Last month we were at 15%. So 15% is what you're going to take, and you're going to put that into, I'm just going to double it over, 15%, and then for the quarter, it looks like we're at 13%, right? So you're going to put the quarter in too. Okay, that is how you do the lead to conversion rate. And again, that's a very good one. How many leads are we actually converting into CEOs? Huge number. I need that to work. I need it to be over 20%. Thank you.